Look who's in my theater book! Aaron Tveit! Ah, my god! I only videotaped one thing, and that's of me making SpaghettiOs. I'm fully aware of the fact that I waste my money on stupid things that I don't need, but I also don't care. So I went to the mall the other day, and I bought some things, and I thought I would share. Okay, so first thing I got was this beautiful bag, and then I bought these pants. I spent $40 on bracelets. Oops. All of these for my birthday as an early birthday present. I got this Wacom Bamboo Splash. And you just like, you know, plug it in, draw on the thing. Out comes a pretty picture. Totally how it works. I bought around 10 books and then realized that I didn't want half of them, so I ended up keeping only 3 of them. Bossy Pants, Just My Type by Simon Garfield, and then Punk 365. I bought some cool Band-Aids. They have like Captain America, the Hulk, and Iron Man, and Wolverine. Sorry this took so long to update, and sorry that it isn't really a great video, but I just kind of got to the point where I needed to film something. So I will see you eventually, and next time I won't make a shitty video. Bye.